Picture a great orchestra. Each musician is talented, but without a conductor, the music would be chaos. The conductor doesn't play an instrument, but guides everyone to create harmony. Management is like that conductor, turning individual efforts into a successful performance. It brings order, direction, and unity to any group. Imagine a sports team without a coach, skilled players, but no strategy or coordination. The coach, like a manager, sets the plan, assigns roles, and motivates the team toward a common goal. Management is the art of making things happen through people, in an organized way. This principle applies everywhere: schools, hospitals, families, and businesses. Someone always needs to guide, plan, and coordinate. Without management, even the best plans fall apart. It's not just a job title, it's a fundamental human activity. Management is about achieving goals with and through others. It creates an environment where everyone can do their best work together. Whether you're leading a project or organizing an event, you're practicing management. Understanding management is the first step to being more effective in any group effort. It transforms chaos into achievement. So management matters, everywhere, for everyone. Let's see what management really is. Management is a process, a systematic way of getting things done. It stands on 4 pillars: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Think of them as the 4 legs of a table, each one essential for stability. Planning sets goals and maps out how to achieve them. Organizing arranges people and resources to carry out the plan. Leading motivates and guides the team toward the goal. Controlling monitors progress and makes adjustments as needed. For example, a restaurant manager planning a new menu decides on dishes, organizes the kitchen staff, inspires creativity, and checks customer feedback. These 4 functions work together in a continuous cycle. If one is weak, the whole process suffers. Good managers balance all 4 to keep things running smoothly. Management isn't just about giving orders, it's about guiding a team to success. Now let's see why management is so important. It's the difference between chaos and achievement. Every organization depends on it. Good management is the backbone of any successful organization. It unites individual efforts toward a common goal. In a software company, for example, management directs programmers to launch a stable app on schedule. Management ensures resources, money, materials, people are used wisely with minimal waste. Think of a construction project. The manager plans materials and labor to finish on time and on budget. Management creates clear roles and responsibilities, preventing confusion and conflict. In a school, the principal defines duties so everything runs smoothly. This structure is the skeleton that holds the organization together. Management also helps organizations adapt to change. When new technologies or competitors appear, managers guide the team to adjust and stay relevant. For example, a retail manager might launch an online store to keep up with shopping trends. Management turns challenges into opportunities. Without it, organizations struggle to survive. Let's look at what makes management unique. Its characteristics set it apart. Management has distinct characteristics. First, it's goal-oriented. Every action aims at achieving specific objectives. Without a goal, management is directionless. Second, management is all-pervasive. It's needed in every organization, at every level. Whether it's a CEO, a supervisor, or a principal, management principles apply everywhere. Third, management is a continuous process. The cycle of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling never ends. Managers constantly adapt and improve. Lastly, management is a group activity. It coordinates diverse individuals to achieve a common goal. Like a film director, a manager relies on the team's cooperation to succeed. Management is about bringing people together for shared success. But what skills make a manager effective? Let's find out. Effective managers need 3 key skills: technical, human, and conceptual. Technical skills are job-specific know-how, like accounting for a finance manager or coding for a tech lead. Human skills are about working well with people, communicating, motivating, and building trust. These are crucial for resolving conflicts and creating a positive team environment. Conceptual skills help managers see the big picture. how different parts of the organization fit together, and how to plan for the future. CEOs use conceptual skills to set strategy and anticipate challenges. Decision-making and time management are also vital. The good news? These skills can be learned and developed. Start by leading a small project, improving communication, or thinking strategically. Every step builds your management ability. Master these skills, and you're on your way to management success. Management is for everyone. Start practicing today.